Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Think AI, where we make complex AI topics super simple to understand. Today we're diving into an interesting concept in AI, the knowledge graph. So, what is a knowledge graph? Let's break it down. The term knowledge graph is made of two words, knowledge and graph. Knowledge means information or data, and graph means a structured way to represent that data using nodes and edges, where each node is connected to another. So in simple words, a knowledge graph is like a big map of information that shows how things are related to each other. Instead of just listing facts, it connects people, places, things, and ideas. So a computer can understand their relationships. Let's understand by a simple example. Imagine we have three facts here. Alice is friend with Bob. Bob works at Google, and Google is located in California. Now, if we connect these facts, we can see how all these are related. This connected network of facts, that's our knowledge graph. So, what are the main building blocks of a knowledge graph? There are three: nodes, edges, and relationships. Let's understand them one by one. First is nodes. Nodes represent entities like people, places, things, or concepts. Each node carries information. For example, a person node can have details like name, age, or profession. Second is edges. Edges are the connections between nodes. They show how two entities are related. For example, an edge can say acted in, born in, or works at. And third is relationships. Relationships define the meaning of these connections. For instance, the relationship between Tom Cruise and Mission Impossible is acted in. This helps computers understand context, not just data, and that's the basics of a knowledge graph. In the next video, we'll explore why do we need knowledge graphs in AI. Thank you.